Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name's Alyssa Daw. I create all sorts of video content, including content for my wedding series. I'll list that playlist in the description box down below for you. I'm so excited for today's video, sponsored by Azazie.com. If you aren't familiar with them, I'll link their website in the description box down below, but they offer bridesmaid and wedding dresses on their website. For today's video, I am going to be trying on and reviewing 3 wedding dresses for you at a price point of only $349. Now, if you're a bride on a budget like me, you know how hard it is to try and find your dream dress without going over budget. They have affordable, gorgeous, stunning dresses without compromising the quality of the dress. What I love about Azazie.com is they offer the option to try on the dress in the comfort of your own home. Now, to try on a wedding dress, it's $25 per dress. Currently, they have that marked down to only $15 to try on a wedding dress, and make sure this is your dream dress. Now ladies, when you try on your dress at home and fall in love with it, or if you're like me and try on 3 and fall in love with 2, the wonderful thing is that because they're so affordable, you can actually get 2. Are you with me? The trend right now is 1 dress for the ceremony, 1 dress for the reception. I am all about it. 2 of the dresses I try on today, I seriously am in love with. I already have my ceremony dress, but my reception dress totally could be one of these, preferably the princess one. You may or may not see it at my wedding. So if you want to see me review and try on these 3 wedding dresses, then go ahead and just keep watching. The first dress I'm going to try on for you guys today is the dress Brandy. I ordered it in a size 0, the color ivory. It also comes in the color white. On their website, they list the silhouette for the Brandy dress as a trumpet/mermaid. Now, a trumpet kind of hits more mid-thigh compared to the mermaid hits a little farther down. I actually prefer the trumpet because I feel like you have a little more wiggle room and you can kind of move and dance around, which is something I definitely prefer. The Brandy dress is definitely one of my favorite dresses. It is so much more stunning in person than it is on their website, which I don't even know how is possible, but I'm definitely not complaining. I love the fact that the deep V mesh here has the applique that goes over the top. You don't really see this very much, especially, you know, especially for such an affordable price. I mean, let's be real. When I tried on some of those designer dresses in bridal stores, a lot of the dresses that I tried on that did have the deep V mesh did not have applique and beautiful detail laid over the top of it. So the fact that you're getting that in this dress and you're only paying $349 for it, I think is amazing. The back detail is beautiful. If you love corset backs, you're gonna love this. It does have the zipper that goes up to your waist and then the corset back. The embellished waistband that is connected to the dress. Can we just take a moment? The fact that it's connected to the dress and you don't have to buy an additional item of a belt to wrap around and have another bow is such a great feature. This dress is stunning. If I didn't already have my ceremony dress, I would definitely, hands down, be purchasing this dress for my ceremony dress. 100%. This next dress I'm so excited about. It is so stunning and it is trending all over right now, this style of dress. And I was so excited to try it on and show it for you guys and for myself because it's just such a beautiful dress. And I definitely am not gonna lie, I really want it for my reception dress. So because it's so affordable, I think that I'll be able to do that. But I want to keep that a surprise for the actual day. So this dress I ordered in the size 4. It didn't have size 0 or 2 for the option of trying it on at home. So I went with the 4 because I really wanted to try it on for you guys. So I got it in the color Diamond White. Now I'm just a all white kind of girl, but they do offer other colors. They actually sent the dress with these color swatches of what it comes with. So they have the Diamond White color, which is the color of the dress. They also have the Diamond White Champagne color, then the Diamond White and Nude color. So all of these colors are so stunning. The fact that they send you these swatches just out of courtesy with the dress, I think is so awesome of them. I think the diamond white and the champagne is really pretty. So if you're not a white kind of girl, I would try that on at home if you like this style of dress. On their website, they list this dress as a ball gown, which I think describes it perfectly. It has the beautiful princess cut, so I mean, it's not this huge stops at your waist and poofs out really big. I'm personally not a fan of that, as fun and pretty as they are to sit down in and take a cute picture. But this dress, seriously, is so much fun. I don't know how you would alter it for a reception as far as actually being able to kind of dance and move and walk around, but I'm in love with it. I actually wanted to just sit here and film in it because it's just so comfy and just beautiful. You feel like a princess. It's such a stunning dress. Another one that is way more stunning in person, even more so than it is online. It does have cups that are inside of the dress, if you can see here, which, I mean, great material. It's fine. It's comfortable. It fits. It, you know, holds them in place. I would probably put in cups with more padding at the bottom to kind of push up the girls and give you more of like a better push-up fit, because that's just how I am. But it's nice that it does have the cups already sewn in there for you. These straps are so beautiful and delicate. I love how the applique that's on this dress doesn't just cut off at the strap, that it kind of continues on. I think it's so romantic. And then they've got the beaded detail along the edge closest to you. It's so pretty. I love this dress so much. To be able to get a dress so stunning for only $349 and not having to pay, you know, $3,000 for this dress, I think is amazing. It's just an incredible way to be able to find a beautiful dress without spending so much money on one day, guys. So with the applique, it stops at the waist and then kind of barely goes down maybe about 2 inches and then stops to this beautiful skirt of tulle. Now, I don't even know how many layers are here. There's just so many. It does, the beautiful detail on this dress just amazes me. The applique does kind of go down and is placed throughout the top half. The tulle on the skirt of this dress has a more structured material at the bottom, which kind of gives it that nice, beautiful flow that you're seeing. It would definitely need to be steamed just to get any of the wrinkles out. I mean, this dress is huge and it was packaged, I mean, great, but I would definitely steam it. The train on this is considered a chapel train. Now, to me, it's just huge and beautiful and just like a princess train. Is that a train? Girl, if you want a train, you got one with this. It also includes little additional beading just in case something falls off. Not that I think it would, but it's nice that they offer that and have that available to you for whatever may happen. Okay, can we be real for a moment? This skirt, guys, is crazy. Could you imagine trying to use the bathroom in this? You would need all your bridesmaids. It's just so pretty. I'm just gonna sit here and pretend that I'm wearing it. So this next dress is the Eliana. I hope I'm saying that right. I ordered it in the size 2 and color ivory. It does come in the color white as well. But ivory was the only option available for try on at home. So this dress on their website is listed as a trumpet/mermaid. Now on their website it does note that mermaid dresses do need to have additional alterations. You can choose to purchase a size that they already have available, or you can do custom sizing. Now the reason why I'll need additional alterations is because they do not measure from the hips down to the knees, which is where a lot of times you'll see maybe some extra fabric on mermaid style dresses. I would just suggest that if you do get the mermaid dress, it's either going to fit great, or if there's a little bit of extra fabric, it will need additional alterations. So just keep that in mind. Let's jump right into more details of this dress. Now it does have the straps. And one thing that I like about the straps on this dress, which you don't see very often, at least I haven't, this dress, the straps actually have a little clasp right here, and then there's 2 options, about 1/2 inch difference, that you can choose for the length of your strap. So if you need it a little bit tighter or a little bit looser, there are 2 different options for the length of your straps, which I thought was really nice, especially because, again, I tried on quite a lot of dresses, let's be real, and I haven't seen any of them have that feature, so that's really awesome for the fact that it's not additional alterations that you'll need. It does have the applique detail on the top and then flows throughout the bottom. So what I really like about this one that is different from the Brandy of the first dress that I tried on is it has this sort of sewn-in detail to it that gives it more of a sparkle. I hope the camera's picking that up for you to see, but it's so pretty. I do think that the applique on this is maybe a little bit thicker or like a different kind of material of applique than the other ones, but I think they're both absolutely beautiful. I like that these straps are just the applique themselves. They don't have any fabric underneath them really. So you can really see the detail of the applique. And then the back, it brings the strap detail all the way around to the back. You have that open back that goes about to your mid back. It stops at about your waist, and then the zipper starts going down pretty far. So one thing that I love, I feel like Azazie just really pays attention to the little fine details. So with this dress particularly, they have this long zipper. Now what they do is they cover it up, so they have these little buttons that are on the applique. So they have one here and one here, and it's really nice to be able to kind of cover up that zipper a little bit rather than just stopping the applique where the zipper is. I just thought that was a really nice feature, but overall I really like this dress. The only thing that I would say is if you're looking for a sweetheart, this does have that sweetheart neckline, but I feel like it's a little bit higher up than I would prefer it. So if you like more of the deeper sweetheart necklines, then you might need some alterations on this. But if you don't like that, then this dress would be a great fit for you. So that about sums up this dress. I really, really love this dress. I honestly really like all of them. My favorites in order would probably be the order that I showed you guys this video in, and the first and second dress being my favorite. I would wear this dress as a ceremony dress. I would wear the first dress, Brandy, as a ceremony dress, and the second, Tony dress, I would wear as a reception dress just because I feel like it's so fun and you can just dance around and have fun. But let me know in the comments below what dress that you would see yourself wearing for the reception and for the ceremony. Because these dresses are so affordable, would you pick 2 dresses or would you only stick with 1? Let me know in the comments below. If you haven't already, please hit that button down below and subscribe to my channel. I'd love for you to be a part of this crazy fun DIY wedding journey that I'm on, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys!